All right, we just got this cleanup. It's rained all last night. It's wet. I got to go up on the roof, pull the roof off, and take off the boxes. So this is going to be a fun little cleanup to do today. Alrighty guys, so this cleanup is about an hour away from here, or maybe more like 45 minutes. It just feels like an hour away from us. I usually don't like going that far for cleanups, but this lady I like doing work for. She's got a nice cottage. I love this area. So we come up and do it every year for her. We do her spring cleanup. We do the windows for her in the summer, and then last year we cleaned her deck as well. That's why it looks so good. We did clean her deck last year. Didn't need it. It was so dirty. So we got that all cleaned up for her. I have tried selling her on getting Q-Tex stain put on it, but she doesn't want a stain on it. She just wants it natural. So, and actually this year already feels a little slippery, but maybe it's because it was wet. But I would love to get a Q-Tex stain on there just to keep all the water out of it. It is a cedar deck. But anyways, we're not here to talk about the deck. We're here to talk about the fall or spring cleanup. So we had 4 guys doing this cleanup. Usually only bring 2 people up, but it was raining the night before and I just wanted to get this cleanup done. So we banged this one off. It didn't take us too long. When the leaves are wet here, it's kind of sucks. It's really hard to blow these leaves. She's got a lot of pine trees here, and then out front, a lot of maples, I believe. Or actually, no, I don't even think it's maples. I'm not sure what kind of trees she has. I've never really noticed, but there are a lot of leaves on this property that we blow. I got the one guy to go down to the lake and blow the path down to the lake, and then all of us, we finished the top part off. So yeah, I don't know. I like this lawn. I like coming up here to do the cleanup. Actually, this part here, I had to reblow. My guys didn't get all this little spot out, so I just checked it over and made sure it was all cleaned out. And yeah, we just blow her all off, and it's a nice little job. And like I said at the start of the video, she does have some skylight covers on the roof that she wants us to take off, so I take those off each year. I was a little bit nervous doing it this time because it was wet, the roof was wet, and there's a little bit of moss on the roof, so kind of makes me nervous because it is a little bit slipperier, but I was okay with it. This time I was able to do it no problem. So the blowers we are using, we've got 2 Echo PB8010s and we've got 2 StihlBR 800s with these side poles. The side poles I actually do not like. They convinced me to buy them because everybody says they love them. We all hate them. We can never get them started. We pull them. We choke them how we're supposed to, pump them, prime them, whatnot, and we just cannot ever get them started. Everyone says they start in 2 poles, not us. We cannot get them started in 2 poles. So I don't know if it's something we're doing or whatnot, but anyways, yeah, that's the leaf blowers we're using on this lot. I don't bring any of the big equipment up here because it just doesn't make sense to haul a trailer up here. And the way her driveway is, I will not get a trailer in or out of there as well. So this is the front lot here. We're just blowing her off. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, get that algorithm going. Like and subscribe lots. All right, thanks for watching.